Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top Giphy VPNs under the microscope, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for your Giphy browsing sessions. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Giphy? They've got the essentials on lock. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your login info and data stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so you never get exposed online while searching or sharing Giphy content. And they've all had their no logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what GIFs you view or share. But the places where they differ, that's what really matters for Giphy users. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best for Giphy because of its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could hide trackers or harmful scripts and GIF links, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends for a super secure private way to share and collaborate on your favorite GIFs. The one small negative, a limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They give you unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can have Giphy open on your PC, tablet, and phone all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Giphy fan can inspect their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher, their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and held up. That's more than a promise, it's been proven. Then we have IPVanish, the totally independent operator. Its special sauce? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen, they have full control over all their equipment, which means a more stable connection for you. And for anyone using Giphy where internet is slow or spotty, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for optimized speed. This can help route your GIF loading faster. Just keep in mind you're sacrificing a layer of encryption for that boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for browsing and sharing GIFs on Giphy? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx technology. This means GIFs load quickly with less buffering. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive and steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be fast, but our tests found its performance can vary, with loading speeds that fluctuate depending on the server you choose. So, which VPN should you pick? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if fast, seamless Giphy browsing is your top priority, and you want the best all-around solution with extra privacy features. Go with IPVanish if you have multiple gadgets or a whole household of GIF lovers. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer incredible value. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or a privacy-focused Giphy user who needs transparency and proven no-logs protection. Its open-source apps and solid reputation are truly unique. And that's it. We're all out of time, so if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're running for Giphy. See you soon.